This recipe makes a delicious grilled Serrano salmon. The ingredients needed are skin on salmon fillet, napa cabbage, bok choy, red pepper, Serrano chili paste, Ken's cucumber wasabi dressing. You also will need a cast iron or a large, heavy-bottom skillet. First, be sure to preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Also, have a grill on and set to medium-high. Next, prep the Asian slaw, julienne the napa cabbage, bok choy, and red pepper. Add together with the Ken's cucumber wasabi dressing. Set aside. There is an associated video.
Hi, I'm Chris Gatto, and what we're going to be preparing today is the Asian slaw for the grilled Serrano salmon. First thing I'm starting with is this massive head of napa cabbage. I'm probably not going to need all of that, so I'm just going to go ahead and slice straight down the middle. Probably straight down the middle again, so that I only have about a quarter, might even go less. We'll see what that looks like. But you just want to set that much aside.
Lightly oil the salmon fillet and place on the grill to sear quickly. There is an associated video.
Esta receta es un delicioso salmón serrano a la parrilla. Los ingredientes necesarios son piel sobre filete de salmón, napa repollo, bok choy, pimiento rojo, serrano chili paste, el aderezo de Ken's cucumber wasabi. También necesitarás una plancha de hierro fundido o una sartén grande y pesada. Primero, asegúrese de precalentar el horno a 500 grados. Además, tenga una parrilla encendida y colocada en medio alto.